this is Arnaud Rodriguez, and this is my video for the class CIT 336 Backend Development for Enhancement 5. So in this video, the objectives are to check that the new category and new product are valid HTML. So if I validate with local validation, I see this page is valid, and if I go back, new product, and do the same process, local HTML, there's no errors. And if I validate the CSS, there's no errors as well. Okay, now for the validations, this one, if I don't have anything and I try to add a product, it prompts me to complete the field. So if I write something here and then here, and I put something misc, and I try again, it's still going to ask me for more information. And you can see the every field is required. And then, well, it worked because everything is completed. Okay, so if I go back, new product, and this time, for example, I put some other information, number, and then I use the no validate, and these fields right here are not filled. I put add product. You see, please provide information for all the fields. This is the backend validation, and the category is sticky as well with the rest of the information that I placed, so that that is working correctly. So now if I go back to new category and do this as well, try to save, it prompts me to fill in the information, and if I use the no validate, try to save, please provide information for the category name. So the client and the backend validation both are working correctly, and I think this is all for this video, so thank you very much.